Hello everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International, and guess what? I decided today to start a new series on Czerny Op.599. So this Czerny 599 is for actually for beginners. Is the first Czerny that you could learn. As you know, I do consider the practice of scales, Hanon and Czerny are the foundation of how to play the piano. So when you do this consistently during time, I still do Czerny at this moment in time, you know, that's how the progress, it will be on the right direction, you know. Anyhow, so you do have on the playlist, my decision is based on the fact that I did do before a series of Czerny Opus 299, that is agility and speed, and I could see that not everyone is quite there, so that's why I'm backing off a little bit and I'm starting with 599. So again, 599, the first 10 studies are mostly for side reading, so don't focus on the finger number, focus how it goes up, stepping or skipping up or down or whatever it is. Obviously you might not be a good reader when you are at this level, so don't focus on the fingers, please. I would suggest you to erase the fingers numbers from there. It would be easier. So that is my suggestion. Another suggestion for this first series of 10, it would be to take one hand at a time, you know, and practice couple of times, and then left hand couple of times, and then put it together. And now that being said, let's start with the practice of it. Hello everyone. Let's go further with our Czerny 599 number 4. So what is all about 4? 4, it's reading actually the notes that are on the right hand on the ledger lines, and they are a little hardish to read, but if you go step by step, you know, stepping up or stepping down, again, you don't really need to know it that well. You need to know the C. So C is the second ledger line on the staff, right? So you have C, D, E 2 times, C, D, E, and then F, F, G, F, E, C. Okay, so let me play it first for you. Left hand, it's in the same C position, but in the with pinky on middle C. All right, so I'm gonna play it first. Again, metronome on 60, and let's go very slow so you know what I'm doing here. Good, I'm gonna go one more time. Okay, that's a C. Good. I'm gonna go next line right now just for a little tiny bit. So nothing too complicated there. You just gotta get your eyes used with more ledger lines on the right hand. C, D, E, C, D, E. You see that F, it's on a space, and then G, F, E, and back to C, right? Left hand pretty much is staying on the C chord, E, G, C, G, E, G, C, G. Now you have 2 times on the D and C, G, C, right? And so do it a couple of times, separate hands. You know, please replay if I'm talking, if I'm going too fast. Right now, left hand, it's second line of this number 4 Czerny. We're gonna go G, F, E, D, C. It's just G, F, E, D, C, right? And then G, E, C. These are the notes. 2 times the G, and then C, 2 C's. Right? Obviously they're whole notes, right? So this would be again second line. You see how it goes right now. I'm gonna go, right hand is going up, left hand is going down, and then G, E, C on the right hand, and then G, E, C on the left hand, but not perfectly parallel. So you have G and then G left hand. So it's a little bit of coordination. C, E, C. Obviously, you don't need to go fast. You know, please go slow. And let me know. You will make me very happy if you hit the the like button. And it's really hard enough to just talk with the camera without you feeling it here. So I really would appreciate you to hit the like button and to leave me a comment, say, yes, I love this series, okay? Good, see you in number 5.